Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. If you're a teacher looking for government job with excellent salary and benefit, then this video is going to be very important for you because Army Public School has released teacher vacancy for regular post with salary as per 7th pay commission. Now let's see in detail. So the vacancy is for two different schools. Now for first school, PGT, physics and chemistry teacher vacancy is there. For TGT post, English, Hindi, Mathematics, Science, Social Science and Counselor vacancies there. For PRT, all subject. For PRT, Special Educator. Now, for second school, for PGT post, vacancy is for English, Hindi, Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, Accountancy, Geography, Computer Science, Physical Health Education. And for TGT post, English, Hindi, Mathematics, Science, Social Science and Computer. For PRT, all subject. Now let us see this vacancy is for which school. So the vacancy is for first school is Army Public School Kanpur and second school is Army Public School Old Kent Prayagraj. Now how you can apply for that? So first you need to download the application form and you should see the qualification detail which is available on this website, and you need to attach 250 rupees demand draft in favor of Army Public School Kanpur. Then you need to attach photocopy of all educational mark sheets and degree starting from 10th to PG including B.Ed. Then you need to attach the scorecard as well, Aadhaar card and experience certificate duly self-attested in a sealed envelope, and on the top of that envelope it should be written application for the post of PGT physics or PGT mathematics or TGT science, whatever subject you have done. So that post and that subject in respect of the school, for which school you are applying, because here two schools are there, Kanpur and Prayagraj. So and this should be sent through speed post or by hand to this address: the principal, ABS Kanpur, near Civil Aerodrome, Kanpur, Kent 208008, on or before 21st November. So remember, last date for this application is 21st November. Now let us see qualification and age required. For PGT, qualification required is master degree with at least 50%, B.Ed and valid AWES CSB scorecard in your subject. Then for chemistry also same, master degree in B.Ed and AWS scorecard. Then PGT biology same, PGT mathematics same, but masters in mathematics. Then English same qualification, Hindi also same. For PGT Hindi you should be master in Hindi or Sanskrit, but if you are doing Sanskrit, English Hindi should be one of the subject at graduation level. Then PGT accountancy same, masters. PGT geography same, master degree, B.Ed and AWS. For computer science, MCA, masters in CS or BTech, then BSc CS or BCA with postgraduate degree in subject. So or B label of DOIC, which is Ministry of IT, is there. Then postgraduate diploma in computers and postgraduate diploma in any subject from recognized. So any of this qualification with valid AWES CS scorecard. Then same for PGT physical education, masters and valid. You don't need B.Ed for that. Next, TGT English, you should be bachelor with at least 50% or postgraduate with B.Ed, valid AWS scorecard and CTET qualified. So CTET paper 2 or state TET is also allowed. Same Hindi, bachelor, B.Ed, AWS and CTET. Mathematics also same. TGT science also same, but make sure two of the subjects should be there, like physics, chemistry, zoology or botany in all the 3 years of graduation. Next, TGT social science, but make sure you should have subjects like history, geography, economics, and political science. Next, TGT is social computer science. It's BCA or graduation in computer science, BE, BTech, including CTET. Then health wellness teacher, which is your counselor, you should be graduate or postgraduate in psychology or postgraduate in child development or postgraduate with diploma in career and counseling. You don't need CTET for counselor post. Then PRT all subject, you should have bachelor degree, BLEd or DLEd. B.Ed is not valid here. Then AWES scorecard and CTET paper 1. Then PRT special educator. For that, graduate with B.Ed, CTET paper 1, and you also should be Rehabilitation Council of India RCI qualified. You should be below 40 years if you are fresh candidate till 1st April 2026. If you are experienced candidate, then you should be below 57 year and you should have minimum 5 years of teaching experience in last 10 year. Next, this is copy of application form. So here first you need to fill the post for which you are applying. Then you need to select the school. Two schools are there. You need to attach your passport size photograph. Then first you need to fill your personal data. Then second, present or previous occupations, whatever is there. Then family details. Next, your educational record starting from class 10th till post graduation, including B.Ed. Then whether you have qualified CSB, which is AWS, and how much score you have got out of 200. Then CTET, then your score out of 150. Then the name of class you would prefer to teach, class and subject. Then training in NCC, Scout and Guide, music, drama, if you have any co-curricular activity, merit scholarship, or language you read, write and speak fluently. Then you need to enter your experience. From all the experience you need to enter. If you are having experience in 10 school, write all the 10 school here. But here two apart are there. Here experience as PGT, here experience as TGT. Then if you are PRT, you need to fill this table. Next, your aptitude, then your health detail, co-curricular activities, computer knowledge, other activity, and then you need to put your date and signature here. Now, let us see from where you can download this application form and advertisement. So this is the official website apskanpur.com/careers.aspx. This is the official website of Army Public School Kanpur where current opening is mentioned, and if you go down here, then you will be seeing that this is the vacancy, latest vacancy, and last date to apply is 21st November 2025. From here you can download the advertisement. From here you can download the qualification required for different post, and this from here you can download the application form for teachers. So friends, if you are passionate about teaching and want a stable, respected government job with attractive salary, this is your golden opportunity. If you found this video helpful, do give it a hype, like, share it with other teachers, and don't forget to subscribe to MJ Manjari for latest update on government teaching vacancy, CBSE news and educational opportunities.